Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2011 Mini Countryman. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine with the manual gearbox returning up to 47 miles per gallon. The mileage on this car is just over 46,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. As you can see, the royal grey paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. This particular car has over £4,000 worth of factory options. A few worth mentioning: on the outside you've got the 17-inch alloy wheels, the multi-function steering wheel, climate control and automatic wipers and headlights, amongst many others. But as you can see, you've got a nice clean interior with a nice half leather seats there. And you've also got an armrest as an option, which pops down for your arms as well. Being the Countryman, you've got a lot more space than the Mini Cooper, so easy access into the back there for getting children in and out of car seats, and you've got lots of legroom there as well. So you've got pockets in the rear of the front seats as well. As I open the tailgate, you see on the Countryman, you get a good sized deep boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. Externally, the car comes with the front fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels that I've already mentioned, and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer financing just 7.9% with zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.